Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of sublimated hoodies. If you're curious about how these eye-catching pieces are made, you're in the right place. We'll explore the process of sublimation printing on hoodies, why it's a preferred method for custom apparel, and how you can get started making your own. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Now let's get into it. What is a sublimated hoodie? A sublimated hoodie utilizes a printing technique where dye transforms into gas and infuses into the fabric itself, unlike traditional printing that merely lays ink on top. This technique results in incredibly durable and vibrant designs that don't fade, peel, or crack over time. It's especially great for designs that require precision and vibrant colors across complex patterns. Now, let's talk about understanding sublimation printing. Sublimation is all about detail and durability. It involves heat and pressure to transfer dye into polyester fabrics, making the design a part of the fabric. This method is perfect for polyester or polymer-coated substrates, where it delivers permanent, vibrant, and full-color results that last as long as the fabric itself. Benefits of sublimation on hoodies. Durability. These designs won't peel, crack, or wash away. Vibrant colors. Expect rich, vivid, and photorealistic results. Full coverage. Design possibilities are limitless, covering every inch of the hoodie, including seams, zippers, and pockets. Comfort. No thick layers of ink. Just smooth graphics that move with the fabric. Choosing the right fabric. For the best results, opt for 100% polyester hoodies, which retain vibrant colors and offer the best surface for sublimation. While polyester blends can work, they may result in a more faded look. Dark or cotton fabrics are not suitable due to their poor ink absorption and color blocking properties. Making your own sublimated hoodie design. Create your design using graphic software. Remember to mirror your image to ensure it transfers correctly. Print. Print your design on sublimation paper using a dedicated sublimation printer. Prepare. Prep your hoodie by ensuring it's lint-free and smooth. Press. Use a heat press to transfer your design onto the hoodie. The right temperature and time are crucial for a crisp result. Sublimated hoodies are incredibly versatile and can be used for sports teams. They're perfect for team apparel due to their durability and vibrant color possibilities. Casual wear. Unique patterns and personal designs make great fashion statements. Merchandise. Excellent for branded apparel thanks to their premium look and feel. Sublimated hoodies combine style, comfort, and durability, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to create custom apparel. With the right equipment and a bit of creativity, you can start producing stunning hoodies that stand out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into sublimated hoodies and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop any questions or share your experiences with sublimation in the comments below. You can visit my website from the link in the description below or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.